A free tool I have on my phone that I use to compress my videos. Sometimes when you shoot your videos on your phone, especially when you shoot them in like good quality, probably like 4K thereabouts, the video would be large. So when you're uploading it or when you're doing anything with it, it takes quite a while for it to upload. However, you can still maintain good quality of your video and compress it to reduce the size. So I use this one, which is Compress. It's available on iPhone, that's Apple Store. I'm going to show you the one I use for my Android. So all you need to do is select video to compress. Now I'm going to select this video. As you can see, this video is 103.8 MB, which is not so much, but let's say we want to compress that. I'll go to next. Then this is the frame rate. The higher the frame rate, the more storage it takes. We suggest not going under 24. Then you have to reduce it. Let's put it here. Let's put it at 45, for instance. Remember, the total size is 103.8. Then the video dimension. Reduce the dimension of your video to save even more space. We suggest reducing the size to 80, which is already in 80%. Then we click on compress. It doesn't take long for it to compress, depending on the length of your video. But this video is not long. It's just like less than 1 minute. So now, you see, before it was 103.8 MB. Now it is 37.2 MB. It has saved us 66.6 MB. Like, it removed 66.6 MB. So you can either choose to delete the original or keep one original, because that was automatically saved in my library. So if you're using an Android phone, you can compress your video with Video Panda. It's available on Play Store. You continue with Compress Panda. Then this is the video that we are going to compress. Can't really see the previous MB, but let me go next. Okay, so this is for you to have a small size. It's easy to share. Then for medium file, it has better quality. For large file, it just compress. It also has the best quality, but it takes slowest compression time, so it takes time. Why this one fit to Facebook Messenger, fit to email, so we can just use the medium, the file better quality. Then click on compress. Then it does its magic for a couple of seconds. It has all this pop-up ads that come up. When it pops up, just ignore it and continue waiting for it to finish compressing. Okay, it's done now. So you can see the original size was 9 MB and now it has been compressed to 1.2 MB. Like, so you see the result, 8 MB saved. Like, you've removed 8 MB from it. And if you look at the video, it still has good quality. So these are the two ways you can compress. If you're using an iPhone, you can use compress, or if you're using an Android, you can use the Video Panda. But when your videos are very large, like they have like maybe 1 gig, 2 gig, yeah, then it's okay to compress. But if you have a video of like 30 MB, 50 MB, even 70 MB, you don't necessarily need to compress, because the downside of compressing your video is that the more you compress, the more it kind of takes out the quality. There's no other way to put it. Somehow it reduces the quality to very tiny bits, even if it's not obvious. So don't always compress your videos. So that's that for that.